Hello everyone and welcome to the next lecture from figuredrawingonline.com. This lecture will be on the foot. The foot together with the hand is generally considered to be the hardest to draw. And at the first sight it is clear why. The sheer number of moving parts is astounding. It is even worse with the hand. The foot is one of those where massing is everything. Muscle-wise, there's not much on the foot. If anything, it's full of tendons. Pretty much, this also said that the foot is a kind of a precursor to know how to draw a hand. Once you master the foot, you add a few more bits and you should be able to do the hand. So I think we start with the bones. In front of the calcaneus and talus, we have 5 bones, starting from the big toe side. The one closest on that side is called navicular. The one next to it is cuboid. It will be easy to remember because of the shape. And in front of the navicular, the first 3 toes, the big toe, second and the third toe, have a small bone which is called a cuneiform, and it's numbered the first cuneiform, second cuneiform, and the third cuneiform. And then we have the metatarsals, which is this group here. And starting from the big toe, it looks just fairly schematically should be something like that. It kind of creates the foot, the bony structure creates a triangular kind of a base, which is really the back of the foot. So if we were to draw it, that would be the first base, the back of the foot, the calcaneus, where it touches the ground. Then the second base would be outwards on the 5th phalanx, and the third one is the big toe. So this kind of a triangle distribution of the bones or the structural points give us a flexibility. You can see it here. That's the calcaneus, the 5th metatarsal, and the big toes, the phalanxes, and the ending of the metatarsal that are touching the ground.
Again, we talked earlier about this pose when the gastrocnemius and soleus work together, pulling on the Achilles to lift up the foot, and they both assisted also with the fibularis longus that comes from the side of the fibula, runs along the side of the leg, tucks behind the condyle of the tibia and goes under the foot. And it's very nice to see those rhythms that are generated by the contracting muscles. Often I put on these sweeping lines that kind of do help to describe, to kind of model. You're almost like modeling the part of the body out of some malleable material, like a clay, kind of, you working over it. So there's again, there's that little jump, that's the fifth metatarsal. In terms of the plane breaks, what happens is there's the curvature of the tibia. Usually the light breaks on the front of the tibia and it comes down. It comes down on the extensor hallucis longus, which is the tendon that runs all the way to the front of the big toe. If the light is coming from there, then this would be usually turned away from light, so the light wouldn't hit it. There would be some reflected light on there. But and vice versa, if the light comes from the left, then this bit would pretty much be turned away from the light.